If you find yourself spending a lot of time on Instagram, you're probably watching a lot of stories. And this is one of the main ways that I have been promoting my YouTube videos. But I've been doing it in an edited video that is really simple and looks just like this. You want to use music in your YouTube videos, but you want to make sure you're not going to get in trouble for using copyrighted music. So I want to share with you my 3 favorite places to find music. Now, if you want to learn how you can make a promo clip for your Instagram stories to start getting more of your Instagram followers over to your YouTube channel, stick around because I'm going to show you how. Welcome back. My name is Trina. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe because I'm posting new videos every single week to help you use YouTube to grow your business. And one of the ways I have used Instagram to grow my YouTube channel, to grow my business, has been creating Instagram stories to promote my YouTube videos. Now, there is a simple way that you can create a teaser clip of your videos and just insert it into Instagram stories, and then you pinch it down and make it really small. But I have found making specific videos just for Instagram stories with music in the background or like transitions has been game changer to get my Instagram followers over to my YouTube channel. So let me show you how I'm doing this on Final Cut Pro. Okay, so once you open up Final Cut, you want to go into File, New, Project, and you want to do a custom video format, all right? So you're going to go down to Custom, and basically you just want to flop these around. So you're doing a 1080 by 1920, and you want to make this a template so you can just keep copying this and using it every single time. So just do IG Stories template. I'm going to do test since I already have this one so it doesn't mess anything up, all right? So then you can see you have this format right here because it's going to be your phone basically flipped up and down, so in vertical mode. The next thing that you'll want to do is pull in your clip. Remember, it needs to be 15 seconds. So I'm going to go down here to my last YouTube video that I had. I am going to just grab this clip, go back to here, and paste it in the timeline. All right, now what I want to do is this bottom clip right here needs to fill the entire black spot. So what I'm going to do is click on that and click on this. Get your bar over here and click on this. And what I do is I'll center it and just enlarge. All right, so that's in the middle. Now what I want to do since I pasted this is Command V, paste again, and move this one on top. So you'll see I have 2 of the same videos on top of each other. Now the next thing we're going to do to make it pretty to your brand color is go over here to this T, and you want to grab a solid color. So this 360 solid color, and ideally you would like to put it between these 2 images. All right, so you see you have this, which is the full background, this is in front of it, and this is the color. So you want the color to be as long as everything else. And now click on the color, go over here to this little film button here, and you can click on the color and pick which one you want to do. If you have your hex code, fantastic. I have all my colors saved already over here. I'm going to go close out of here, and the next thing I want to go to is this little film guy right here, and minimize the capacity a little so you can still see me playing in the background so it looks something like this. Well, we don't have it all lined up. You want to hit Command plus to zoom it in to make sure everybody is zoomed up. There's also an extra clip there. So let's see how this goes.
Habits of highly successful people. And they walk you through their morning routine.
Okay, you can always turn off this audio if you want so you don't have extra. Now let's add the titles. These are the basic titles that come with Final Cut Pro that you'll have, so I'll show you those, but I have additional titles that I have bought. So these YT lower thirds, specifically the ones that I use a lot here are the elegant titles. So you see that that one climbs out like that, and this one, but I'm just going to use the ones that all of you have as well. Let's do this fade right here, okay? Everybody has this. So I'm going to stick it in right there. I don't know why that duplicated, but then we're going to make it stretch the whole way across the entire video. All right. and you'll see, make sure it's highlighted, and click this little box if you can't grab it, and let's move it to the top actually. All right, it's centered. Here's where you can change the text on there. So you want to say new YouTube, and I'm going to put video below it. I'm going to change it to my text right here. So my text. And also I think I'm going to make this bold so it stands out. I think I can make the text a little bit bigger. All right, move it up. And I might just change the color as well. So to change the color of the text, you want to go to this T and click this guy right here. Add your hex code. Mine is this bright pink. All right, so now once you close out of there, you have your brand new Instagram story promo. Now all you do is you go up here and you can export the master file. All right, and then what I do is when I export it, I find it here in my on my desktop, and I will click share, and I'm just going to airdrop it to my phone because it makes it so much easier. So once I do that, my phone gets a notification and I can share it on Instagram. Now there is a much easier way you can do this too. I have another video on that. I will link it down below and in the card up above. Now if you don't have Final Cut Pro and you don't have the time to do all this editing, that's absolutely fine. I have another video that shows you how you can just pull a simple clip from your YouTube video into your Instagram stories, and then you can jazz it up in there with GIFs or text, and I'll link that video down below. Now if you want to be featured here on my YouTube channel and get a shout out, let me know what other problems you're having with your YouTube channel or what struggles you're having. Let me know down in the comments below. I can't wait to feature your comments in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Wednesday on how to use YouTube to grow your business. Thanks for watching. Bye.